Hey there tech heads, welcome back to the channel. And as you can probably tell from my attire, this video is definitely going to be something special. So make sure you stick to the end to find out the special message I have for you guys. The Samsung Galaxy A51 was released in December of 2019, and it made headlines for being one of the best budget smartphones of the time. Now it's a couple of months later, and we're going to be taking a look to see if it's still one of the best budget smartphones you can buy. Taking a look at the back of the device, we can see this beautiful rainbow gradient finish on the plastic body. Yes, the body is made of plastic and the sides as well, but Samsung refers to this as glastic because of the reflective properties, but it's just plastic, which isn't terrible because plastic is much more shatterproof than glass. Your phone is not going to smash into a million pieces if you drop it, at least on the back, but it is scratch prone, so you should definitely use this phone with a case either way. Now, this device comes equipped with a 4000 mAh battery, which has proven itself to be more than sufficient to take you through the day. And even if by some means you run out of battery before the end of the day, it also comes with fast charging, which should help you top up very, very quickly. And Samsung also has their various power saving modes to help you conserve what little battery you have left in case you are not with your charger. When it comes to performance, the Samsung Galaxy A51 is equipped with the Exynos 9611 chipset, which is a 10nm chipset. It's definitely not the fastest out there, but it's more than enough to get the job done. It's quite capable at handling multitasking and scrolling through your applications and switching between them without any stutters or lags, and it's also able to handle gaming on some medium settings. So definitely on the performance aspects, you should have no complaints on this device. I haven't had any complaints on this device. As for the camera setup, this device is rocking the rectangular camera module that we've seen all throughout the year 2020. It has a very versatile camera setup with a 48 megapixel main sensor, a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor, 5 megapixel macro lens, and 5 megapixel depth sensor. Now, this camera has proven itself to be quite capable in good lighting conditions, and even in not optimal lighting conditions, it still holds its ground. It's capable of recording at 1080p and 4K at 30 FPS, and it even has EIS to ensure that your footage is as stable as possible. Massive shout out to Daniel from Dan Edits for helping me shoot this video. He's the one that's the subject of this particular picture. Please make sure to check out his channel. I'm going to leave a link to that in the description box. Samsung Galaxy A51 is packing a big and beautiful 6.5-inch 1080p Super AMOLED display, which Samsung are famous for. And as my fellow YouTuber and friend Michael from Meadow Unboxing would say, it is. Colors appear beautiful, vivid, and punchy, and it's awesome for media consumption, with the only intrusion being that tiny Infinity O hole punch cutout in the center, which can easily be ignored. Now, a couple of extra features include an optical in-display fingerprint scanner, which you have to put your thumb on or your registered finger on the screen and press it in order to unlock the device. Michael here is going to give you a demonstration.
Hand on the screen like this, and it's unlocked.
It's not the fastest scanner on the market, and it's not the most secure, as the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner is much more secure than this, but it's reliable when it works. It also comes with face unlock, which is just 2D because there are no extra sensors. It just uses the selfie camera to recognize your face and unlock the phone, but it is faster than the fingerprint scanner. And it has a headphone jack, which is awesome. So like a lot of big YouTubers have been saying, I think if you want to get more features on your device, just lower your price range. Go for the budget devices. They're the ones packing all the features. So, how has the Samsung Galaxy A51 held up after all this time? The performance has been pretty good considering the price. It's not the best in its price range with regards to performance, but it is pretty solid. The battery is very solid as well. You should get more than a day. The camera is very versatile. It's not also the best, but it is very good and it produces very pleasing images. And the unlocking features are manageable. That's what I'm going to say. They're manageable. So yeah, that's it basically for the Samsung Galaxy A51. Let me know what you think about the device in the comment section down below. Some things are more important than tech. Now, I'm sure we all know what's going on in the world with the whole, everything going on in the world. And I really just want everyone to understand that our differences are not meant to be a problem. They're meant to be embraced. There's beauty in diversity. There's beauty in all of our different cultures. So we need to learn how to love and appreciate one another as human beings, first of all, and appreciate our differences as well. With that said, Black Lives Matter. And it's really sad that we need to remind everyone about that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So stay safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.